The mountains look wonderful in Instagram photos. The reality is if you get injured, it's going to be cold, you're going to be wet, it's going to be incredibly uncomfortable and painful.
The volume of, increasing volume of people coming over to enjoy the mountains does correlate with the increased amount of cases we see in hospital here.
And the reality is, it's going to take us 2.5 to 3 hours to get to you if you're on the hill, and then you need to be carried down by stretcher.
We see a lot of people with broken wrists and broken ankles arriving in our hospital.
The big number in rescues for Canberra's team puts a massive effort on a bunch of volunteers.
We have a dedicated trauma theatre in Ysbyty Gwynedd that operates all day, every day of the year. Due to the increase in cases, we sometimes have to send people away to be treated in the hospitals closer to their home if the injury is not life-threatening.
The key to all this is be prepared, have the right equipment with you so you can look after yourself if and when things do go wrong. Have you got the right skills for what you're doing today? Do you actually know what the weather's going to be doing? Look at the Met Office or mountain weather forecast online to get the weather for where you're going.
And I remember particular weekends last summer when we had 3 open fractures of the wrist in a day. I don't remember this happening ever in my 20 years career as a doctor.